People spend a lot of money during Christmas, but for some individuals, it's an opportunity for them to make extra cash. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 Christmas entertainment business ideas that can put money in your pocket. While others are busy spending, you should be busy earning. So stick to the end of this video and you will never regret it. But before we begin, I want you to please subscribe to this channel. That way you will encourage me to keep on uploading great and awesome videos. The first Christmas entertainment business idea that we are going to look into is music competition. In Nigeria and worldwide, there are a lot of hidden talent. There are a lot of youths that are looking for where to display their talent, where to show people that they can sing, they can do more than they thought. So, in order for you to make money during this Christmas season, gather these people by, spreading information, creating awareness that there is a competition, a music competition during the Christmas season, and you will have enough contestants. Now, the first stage that you are to make money in this business is through sales of form. Now, you are to prepare a very unique and nice form. The next way that you are going to make money in music competition is gate fee. Now, people will pay to enter. If you are not a contestant, you must pay before you step in. And also, you will make a lot of money in selling certain things that will keep the people busy while they are entertained. So, music competition is one of the best businesses that you can step in during Christmas season and make good money. The second business idea I'm going to share with you is organized parties and shows. Now, you know that people seek for fun during Christmas season. Wherever they go, all they want is fun, to hang out with friends, to sit where they will be entertained because it's a holiday. So, if you can make people to enjoy themselves, you make money. So, organize a party, create awareness that the party is a social place, and you see people flocking in, and you will make a lot of money. They will pay and enter. You will sell things during the party and you make money, especially drinks, because during parties people like drinking a lot. So you need to stock your fridge with a lot of drinks and make cool money. Number 3 is cultural dance competition. Cultural dance is one vital event that can actually put money in your pocket, and it's very easy because in Nigeria, cultural dance during Christmas is a normal thing. There are groups right now that are organizing themselves for just to entertain people for free during Christmas. So if you make it a competition, you will certainly make money out of it. So meet these groups, get them organized, get them informed, and they are going to do most of the advertising for you because they are going to inform their friends, they are going to inform their relatives, and all these people are going to attend. It's only the contestants that are not going to pay for entrance. Others are going to pay. So for you to really attract more persons to come, you need to reduce the amount that you are charging them for entrance. That way it will attract both the children, the young, the adult. Everybody will pay and be entertained. Number 4 is wrestling. In Nigeria, especially in the southern part of Nigeria, wrestling is part of life. So the people value wrestling and they love it with passion. Wherever they go, if there is no wrestling in that event, in that occasion, then the occasion is not complete, especially in the south region. And like states like Bayelsa, River State, you cannot entertain them without wrestling. So if you make it a competition or where they will pay to enter, it's never a problem because they are willing to pay. They are ready. They want to be entertained. Wrestling is part of our lives. So wrestling business is one business that you can step in during the Christmas and make money. The easiest way to organize this is to visit some villages and inform the youth, get them organized, fix a date for a meeting, when they come, maybe they may not even fill any form, just to have a meeting with you. Every wrestler, whenever you wrestle, you have a commission. Any day you wrestle, you have a commission. You that is the organizer, you have your own commission. Clean and cool business. Number 5 is football competition. I don't need to explain how you will make money in football competition, because I know you are aware of how youth love football and how football entertain people during Christmas season. So football competition is one of the best and a great source of income that you can step in during the Christmas season and make a lot of money. Also, those that will come to sell at the venue, at the stadium, or at the field, you will also charge them. Anyone that do not register with a certain amount of money may not be allowed to sell in that venue. If you are to combine one or two of these events that I have mentioned, you can also use the football event to advertise them. That means people will move from the football venue to the cultural dance venue, or the singing competition venue, or the wrestling venue, and that way you make a lot of money. You will be busy collecting, you will be busy making money. If you have enough capital, you can actually carry out these 5 great ideas: the wrestling, the singing, the dancing, the football, and you make a lot of money. They will be moving from one event to the other that you organize, maybe in the same venue. In the morning, singing competition; at noon, dancing competition; in the evening, football is on, and you be there to get this done, get money from this, collect this one, and the money will flow into your pocket. Now, all you need to do is to get a very good venue. You may rent an open hall or a field, and you protect it in a way that people will pay and enter. You will certainly make money out of it. So you can actually combine the 5 and make good money. While others are busy spending during the festive period, you should be earning great money. So subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye.